Hello, this is Bob Scribner coming to you from a house in Newton. We're doing a whole shingle house rip, or almost a whole house rip. And here we're doing, this is a relatively low slope roof. What that means, it's not very steep. So in most places we'll put either 6 or 9 foot of ice and water shield. That's the barrier that keeps the snow out of your house in the winter. But on this section here, we actually ran it all the way to the top. About 15 or 18 feet, except for the top 3 feet. Because we put regular paper there because we want the house to be able to breathe. Now in this area, there's a giant skylight. Now, the difference is when we take apart skylights, we actually take the whole thing apart. As you can see, we took the whole kit apart and we put ice and water shield around it. You can see that's the black stuff up there. And on this side, we have the step flashings. That's just the proper way to flash it. All the way around, we have the kit, and we'll put the cap pieces on probably in about 4 hours from now. So that way the skylight will be waterproof. If you don't take the skylight apart, you just use the old flashings, you can never get the proper ice barrier up there, and you'll always have issues. Now if you look over here, you have a lower roof where it hits an upper roof. Now the homeowners have told us they've had major problems there. So what we did is we took off the roof boards, we took off the fascia board, and we took off the soffit board. That's all the boards you can see that are pretty painted. Took it all off. That way they gave us full access to here. We ran the ice and water shield up the wall a minimum of 4 inches. We're probably closer to 6 or 8 inches everywhere you go. And now what we'll do is we'll reinstall the roof boards, the fascia and the soffit board, so the homeowner will never know it's touched. And what this does, it allows us to roof this properly. With it open like this, we're able to get our hands in there and the proper materials in there. Instead of trying to slip or smash stuff in there, and let us do it. It takes a lot longer to do it this way, but there's a way to do it properly. Now over here, we actually ran the ice shield from the lower roof, up the wall, up to the upper roof, and they'll put ice shield over the top here once we put this back together. That way everything's tied together. Get it.